AI video generation has blown up, but most of the best tools will cost you a subscription, a trial, or a credit card just to try them out. What if you could access Kling, VO3, and Seedance, three of the most talked about AI video generators right now, completely free in one single app? Kling is known for its smooth, realistic motion. VO3 is Google's latest model, and it's been making waves for a reason. And Seedance brings a whole different creative style to the table. Three powerful tools, zero cost. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this app, step by step, so you can start generating high-quality AI videos today, even if you've never done it before. And trust me, don't skip any part of this video, because you might miss something that makes a big difference in your results. All right, let's get into it.
Okay, first you're going to go to the Play Store and search for the app called Tinker by Shopify. As you can see here, the app says open because I've already downloaded it. You just need to install it, which takes about a minute. After installing it, open it and create an account. You can do that with either your Google account or your email. After creating an account, tap Create at the bottom. Here, as you can see, you can create images using tools like Google Gemini, OpenArt, Flux, and even Grok. It's amazing. But we're not here for image generation. We're here for video generation. For video generation, you can use tools like VO3, Kling, and Seedance. Let's start with Kling. Here, I'm going to write a simple prompt, like a woman walking down the stairs. You can add a reference photo if you want. Let's also choose the aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 because it's the best for YouTube videos. You can also add a negative prompt if you want. Then slide to the right to create, and wait just a minute. And just like that, the video is ready. Let's take a look. Wow, amazing. As you can see, there's no morphing whatsoever. To download it, just click on the three dots in the bottom right and click download.
Now let's try something a bit more complex. I'm going to copy a prompt from ChatGPT. This one's for a cinematic fighting scene. Now we're going to generate it using the Seedance video generator. I'm going to paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT and choose how many seconds I want the clip to last. Let's go with 6 seconds for a balanced duration. Aspect ratio, I'm going with 16:9 as always. Then slide to the right to create, and just after a few seconds, the video is ready. Well, it looks good, even with a few morphing issues, but overall, amazing. Maybe we just needed to tweak the prompt a little bit. Anyway, it's best you go test this app now, because they might add restrictions later. So if it didn't work for you, please don't insult me in the comments. You're just late. Anyway, go test it and let me know what you think.